If you're planning to paint your home, choosing the right type of paint is crucial. Today, let's break down latex, enamel, and acrylic paint, so you know which one is best for your project. Latex paint is water-based, making it easy to clean and quick to dry. It's perfect for indoor walls and ceilings. It also has a low odor and is more eco-friendly. In the Philippines, Boysen Permacoat Latex and Davies Megacryl are top choices. Need a long-lasting finish? Enamel paint is oil-based, giving it a glossy and tough finish. It's great for wood, metal, and outdoor surfaces. However, it takes longer to dry and has a strong smell. Try Nippon Pilox Enamel or Boysen Quick Drying Enamel for durability. Acrylic paint is similar to latex but with extra durability. It resists cracking and works on various surfaces, including wood, concrete, and canvas. If you want long-lasting color, go for rain or shine. Acrylic paint or Davies Roof Shield Acrylic for outdoor use. Use latex for interior walls. Choose enamel for furniture and metal surfaces. Pick acrylic for versatility and weather resistance. Now you know which paint works best for you. Happy painting!